What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Harry Potter roller coaster construction update, and to see if anything else is going on around the parks. Let's go! The first thing that we need to talk about is over here at CityWalk, and we warned you for a long time, Emeril's is now closed, and we can see the work walls up around the building. Hopefully a new tasty dining location will be coming soon. No work walls are over here just yet. And that's going to do it for Emeril's at least. Thank you for the memories and eats. Hello, Islands of Adventure, and here's where we start our journey. Yeah, literally no way to get in. Right on through. Now let's go see what's going on with Potter. Before we get over to see the wizard himself, let's see the wait times. And Hulk is 20 minutes. We see Dr. Doom is 15 minutes. Spider-Man was 20. Kong 35. P-Flyer's 30. Forbidden Journey 35. Poseidon's Fury is 20 minutes. Let's see, Trolley Train Ride is 10 minutes. One Fish, Two Fish is 20 minutes. Yeah, a little bit light here today. I'm thinking that was because of the rain earlier. We have finally arrived at the new Harry Potter roller coaster. Let's see what's new.
Wow!
So take a look at this, guys. Check out the amount of work that has happened just in the last couple days here at the Harry Potter roller coaster site.
Like 8 to 9 o'clock hour for break.
Yeah, but that wasn't ready.
They're building a big roller coaster. That's what I said. They're building a
roller coaster?
Kan man köra tidningar så man inte kan köra tidningar.
Ese va a ser algo que...
Vale, basta. Basta de comer chiquillas.
Hello there, tower crane operator. Hopefully you're going to be busy tonight.
Are they taking them down?
Yeah, laying that down.
No, that's a new one.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for Islands of Adventure. Nothing new was over at the Jurassic Park area, but Harry Potter's roller coaster, man, there was a ton of new stuff. Time to head over to Studios and see what's going on over there. And same situation this week, not very busy over here at King's Cross Station. Universal Studios Cinematic Celebration is currently doing technical rehearsals, now with pyro and everything. And guess what? A couple new additions. They have lasers. Now if they're going to be in the show tonight, I don't know. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Some low-level pyro has been installed right here onto the barge tonight. So yeah, that means we are definitely going to see a light show. So a neat kind of new merchandise offering here is a light-up LED balloon. So you can take these around the park and they look really nice. Revenge of the Mummy. And for quite a while we had work walls around over here because of new lockers. Well, guess what? They're down and the lockers are now in operation. Let's go take a look, shall we? And right off the bat I can tell they put some money in here. The floor looks very nice, but look at all these lockers. They literally line the wall in here. And there's big lockers, small lockers, you name it. Let's go over to the kiosk. Check it out. So this is just like the ones that are over at Hulk. So you scan your ticket or your annual pass, and a locker pops open, and then you use that same ticket to get all your stuff out when you're all done. They do have a locker pay station over here also, so if you exceed the time limit, well, you gotta pay up. Prop shop, anybody? Well, let's go take a look. And we saw two chances in here last time. I'm wondering if one of them is gone. Probably not. Yeah, we still have all the stuff right here from the Triceratops encounter for sale. And that's kind of interesting considering, what's going on over there? Construction. Saw the Bates Motel t-shirts, signage here. Let's check out the Horror Night section. Yep, there's one chance. And I already see the other one. Yes, this one came back. It was gone for a while, but it's back. It's also $3,000. He's still here. And then, yep, our gal, still waiting to go home. Even though nobody's ever going to take her home, I think. $1,800. It's a steal. Around the corner over here, let's see if our guy is posing. He is. That's exciting to see. Signage, no parking signs. Volleyball, not Wilson. Mardi Gras stuff. And still the Volcano Bay sign right there. Nothing different over here at least. Let's turn the corner. Some old photos. Still have the Mummy banner. T-shirts. Pasta and pizza signs. Big photo. Wakita's still here, of course. Other signage. And it looks like somebody took home that hot set sign. Unless it's over here. Darn you, I shake my fist of anger. Over here, we'll call kiosk. So that's a big sign. Let's see. 150 bucks, not bad actually. It's kind of neat. You can actually own part of the park, like up near the front entrance. You get a lot of costumes. Still have the Pharaoh's Gold from the Mummy gift shop. Still have some T2 stuff from Hollywood and from here as well. Microphones. That sign is still here. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for the prop shop. The barricades have been removed, and that means we are going to have a show for Cinematic Celebration right on the lake.
Optimus Prime. We were once a peaceful race of intelligent mechanical beings. But then came the war between the Autobots who fought for freedom and the Decepticons who dreamt of tyranny. Fools, you can't escape Megatron. Your planet belongs to me. Surrender or perish. Your war is with me. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Are you ready to be amazed? Here we go.
This stage is about to explode with major pitch power!
And just so that you guys know, when the show starts, they close down this pathway over here so you cannot get hit by the pyro. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Universal Orlando Resort construction update, and I gotta say I am very happy with the amount of progress that's been going on for the new Harry Potter roller coaster. They have literally put up hundreds of feet of track just in the last couple days. I mean, we were just here, and there's a whole bunch of new stuff. The Cinematic Celebration show is still in technical rehearsal. It's going to be for just a little bit longer as they are installing some new stuff, and we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.